Good morning. We're going to make whole grain blender pancakes. In case you've never made them before, but you've wanted to, this will show you how. So first, you want to get some whole wheat, and you want to do a heaping cup. Put that into the blender. Then you're going to take a 1 1/3 cup of milk. Put that in your blender. And I wrote on the instructions that you can blend it for like 1 to 3 minutes. It depends on how much crunch you like in your pancakes. Okay, so it's very simple. You just do that. Then you're going to add 2 eggs and a tablespoon of brown sugar, and that's optional. You don't have to add any if you're avoiding sugar. And then you're going to do some baking soda and some baking powder and a little vanilla. And 2 tablespoons of oil. And a little bit of salt. Okay, then turn on the blender. We are ready to bake. Okay, after you get it blended, I always like to put a little butter. I always say everything is better with the butter. And then just right from your blender, you're going to pour pancakes on to the skillet. And you're ready to eat. We like to add bananas, strawberries, blueberries, bananas, and whipped cream. So enjoy. Bon appetit. Namaste.